Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to make 5 easy instant pot freezer meals that you can also do with the slow cooker if you would like. Let's get started. Okay, before we get started, we're going to go over a couple things that we're going to need. You're going to need Ziploc bags. What we like to do is write the directions and the name of the dish right on the top. We also found these on Amazon. These are Ziploc baggie holders. They're super convenient, super easy to use, and they help the bag stay open so that you don't have to fuss with that. If you do want a set of these, you can get them on Amazon. We do have an affiliate link in the description below. We do get a small kickback and it helps the channel so we can grow and do more videos like this. Okay, for meal number 1, we're gonna do teriyaki chicken. We got 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts chopped up in about 1-inch cubes. 1 12-ounce bottle of teriyaki sauce. 1 1/2 cup packed brown sugar. 1/2 cup water. 1 teaspoon of ginger. 1 teaspoon crushed red pepper. 1 teaspoon minced garlic. And 1 12-ounce bag oriental vegetables. Okay, we're gonna zip it up and make sure we get all the air out. The day you make this meal, you'll want to also cook rice and serve this over the rice. Now we're gonna lay it flat and put it in the freezer. Next up is chili. We're gonna start with 1 pound browned ground beef, a 16-ounce bag of dried kidney beans, 2 15-ounce cans of tomato sauce, 2 cans of water, 2 tablespoons onion powder, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, 1 tablespoon chili powder. You can add a little more or a little less depending on how hot you want it. 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon crushed red pepper flakes. Okay, we're gonna zip this one up, make sure all the air is out, and we'll go ahead and give it a shake. Into the freezer it goes. All right, for meal number 3, we are doing a lemon garlic chicken. The first thing you'll need is 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts cut up into 1-inch pieces. Put those in the bag, just like that. Up next is 2 teaspoons minced garlic. 1/4 a cup olive oil. 1 tablespoon dried parsley flakes. 2 tablespoons packed brown sugar. 3 tablespoons lemon juice. 1 teaspoon salt. And finally, 12 ounces frozen broccoli. And go ahead and remove it. Get the air out. And zip it up and put it in the freezer. Next up is zesty Italian chicken, and you're gonna be serving it over risotto, and you're gonna cook that the day of. So start with 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, diced up into 1-inch pieces. 1 bottle zesty Italian dressing. 1 teaspoon crushed red pepper flakes. 1 teaspoon minced garlic. And finally, 1 12-ounce bag of frozen Italian vegetables. Okay, we're gonna zip it up, put it in the freezer. Okay, up next is barbecue chicken. We're gonna start with 6 boneless, skinless chicken thighs. One bottle of barbecue sauce. And 12 ounces of frozen corn. Zip it up. Make sure you get the air out. And put it in the freezer. So a couple tips to make this all go smoothly is, one, you're gonna wanna lay them all flat in the freezer so it takes up less space. 2, the night before, you're gonna wanna take whichever meal it is that you're gonna have and set it in your fridge and let it thaw overnight. It'll fit in the Instant Pot or the slow cooker a lot easier when it's thawed. The recipes along with the shopping list will be down below in the description. Also, if you liked these, they came out super handy for us. The link for this is down below. Again, we do get a little kickback from Amazon when you purchase these, and it helps the shop. So if you want to support the channel, then go ahead and pick a set of these up, and we'll see you next week for our next video.